Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I want to share with you the new Design Tool Swatch book. This is going to be perfect for your paper crafting needs. These are currently available, and here's what you're going to get. There are 7 books for the 2019 Occasions catalog. One holds each pack of paper that is in the Occasions catalog. The books are 2 3/4 by 6 inches, and there is a label on the back that's going to tell you the designer series paper, the catalog it's in, the item number, and the cost of the designer series paper pack, along with all the colors that are listed for that designer series paper pack. When you fan this out, you're going to be able to see each piece of cardstock along with the designer series paper pieces. They're stepped up for your convenience so you can see them all when the book is closed. And this is designed to allow you to try different color combinations based on the coordinating cardstock. So for instance, if I wanted to try that, I can see without having to go to my box of paper and pull each individual color out. If I don't like the Calypso Coral, I can swing this over and maybe try the Pineapple Punch with that. So as you can see, these are small enough to fit on your desk where you're designing and easy to use. You can order these now. Simply follow the instructions on my blog post. And if you don't already have a demonstrator and would like the 2019 Occasions catalog, email me your name, address, and phone number, and I'll be happy to mail you one. Thanks for joining me.